numbers of Christians in Nigeria. And they have other countries very bad also. You know that part of the world, very bad. They're killing the Christians and killing them in very large numbers. We're not going to allow that to happen.
I actually saw the best video that people are making from CNN, BBC, and I'm so happy for the speech of the highest president in the whole world, the mighty and honorable and the greatest president that the world have produced, which is the president, His Excellency, the highest excellency, Donald Trump. I say, may God bless you, the best president in the whole world. May God bless you, President Donald Trump. I say, may God bless you. Power to Africa, power to Burkina Faso president, power to the greatest president that exists in the world. But why am I saying this? May God bless Donald Trump, and may God bless American, and may God bless some Nigerians. And why I say may God bless some Nigeria, because God can never bless some of all of them, because some are very wicked at heart, wicked at face, wicked at behavior, wicked when they are thinking. May God bless you, the best president of the whole world, the president of American, the best president, the highest president, that we come again and again, because you are the best president. May God bless you, Donald Trump, for thinking and planning to come and help Nigeria, because you're helping Nigeria means you are helping the whole world, because Nigeria is the whole world. Because any nation in this earth that you do not see one or two Nigerian and Igbo people, to be precise, that means the nation is not existing. That nation needs to be abolished to the earth. Even if you go to the land of the great, the land of the sea, you will see Nigerians, and that Nigerian Igbo men must be involved. May God bless Donald Trump for thinking this. Donald Trump, I beg you, in the name of God, which I believe, and the God I know, and I believe that you believe, in the name of the God Almighty. Donald Trump, please, don't waste time in this vision and the idea and the wisdom of Solomon that God has given you. I beg you, Donald Trump, please, let my video go viral. Let Donald Trump hear this message from His Royal Majesty AGUGBAOLA, the EZE of United Arab Emirates, Dubai to be precise. I am the sitting king of the whole Igbos, if not Nigeria to be precise, and Africa in UAE. And I say, please, Donald Trump, my dear great Donald Trump, the great president, please, do not waste time for this speech. Please, take instant action. Don't even give 24 hours to the president of Nigeria, please. I beg you to take action, because I know the protest of release free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is what that triggered Donald Trump. Because Donald Trump watched the situation. He now flashback to what is been happening to Christians. Watch what these people are doing to Christians. Donald Trump said, no, I will not take this. Please, I beg you, take instant action, please. Do not waste time, please. I beg you in the name of God. The God that make you to think this, that the same God will make you to actualize and win this minor battle, because Nigerian fight to American is minor. I beg you, Donald Trump, please, take action.